Hi guys, I'm Teresa and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a long time since my last video, so I'm sorry for that and I hope that you all are great. Since it's the end of 2025 and it's really cold in here in the Czech Republic, I like to publish a really short video about Czech winter phrases. Let's dive right into it. Teď ti povím fiktivní mini příběh. Venku je mrazivé počasí. Je mi fakt kosa. Je minus 10 stupňů Celsia. Mrzne až praští. Na ulici je mrazivé ticho. Jsem tu úplně sama. Je zima, že by ani psa nevyhnal. Na Martina čekám už 15 minut. Konečně přichází. Jsem naštvaná a tak mu s ledovým klidem řeknu. Jdeš pozdě. Let us quickly look at those 5 expressions. First we have je mi fakt kosa, or simply je fakt kosa. This one you would use in informal situations and it means literally it's really a sight, which doesn't really make any sense, but it's translated as it's freezing cold outside. Then we have mrzne až praští, which means literally it's freezing until it bangs. So it's translated as it's really cold outside, it's freezing, and you can use it both in formal and informal situations. By the way, have you ever noticed that Praha sometimes changes to Prahu or even Prahou? The changes of these endings are called the cases, and in the Czech language we have a whole system of those. Memorizing this long list of grammar charts can be pretty boring and it can discourage you from learning Czech. Therefore, I created my Simplified Czech Cases course, where you will master the system of Czech cases in a practical and engaging method through short stories. You will start using Czech cases in context rather than by learning isolated phrases. The link to the course is down below. Go check it out. Then we move to mrazivé ticho, which you can use in both formal and informal situations, and it's used to describe like tense atmosphere. We use it to describe dramatic situations. So it means deadly silence. The English equivalent would be a chilling silence, awkward silence. Then my favorite one, je zima, že by ani psa nevyhnal. It's so cold you wouldn't send even a dog outside. In English you would say it's freezing outside, simply. So again, you can use it in both situations, formal and informal. And finally, ledový klid or s ledovým klidem. This is not used to describe people, but emotions. So it's very formal and it means that even if you're really furious, you stay calm without emotions. So you could say to stay calm under pressure. That's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know here in the comment section what other phrases related to winter are you familiar in Czech. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in 2026. Ciao!